Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about footnotes. So there are two things, footnote and endnote. First of all, we have to understand the difference between footnote and endnote. For this we will take some data and I will copy and paste this data to multiple pages. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Now we can look here. These are two pages. So if we insert a footnote, footnote always show at the end of page. Suppose in case I select gallery and insert a footnote. In footnote we have to explain about this word. Both in footnote and endnote we have to explain the details or related topics about that word on which we are placing footnote and endnote. So like it is gallery, I will give its definition here. Gallery, collection of images. Now in second page, coordinates. I put a footnote here also. Coordinate means axis. X-axis and y-axis. So we can look here. When we insert a footnote, footnote always come at the foot, or we can say bottom of page, like this. Now what is the endnote? Endnote always come at the end of the document. For example, I select this picture, go to references and insert an endnote. So endnote will come at the end of document. Here we will write about picture, graphics, or in second page I select chart, insert about chart will say graphical representation of data. So we can look here. When we insert a footnote, footnote always come at the foot or at the bottom of page, but when we insert an endnote, endnote always come at the end of document, not at the end of page. So this is the main difference between footnote and endnote. Otherwise both are same, both are used to represent details, or we can say a definition of some special words which are present in the document. So like this we can insert footnote and note. Now if we have multiple footnote styles, insert footnote style, we can say method of work, controls, we can say commands. So these are the details or synonyms of this word, we can say. So now if my cursor is at first footnote and I say next footnote, so this command will bring me one by one to the next footnote, and if I say previous footnote, it will bring us backward. But if my cursor is over here and if I say next footnote, it will move to the next footnote in the paragraph, like this. And if we say previous footnote, it will go to the upward. And same thing will also work with endnote also. So like this we can insert footnote, and endnote footnote is always show at the bottom of the page, while endnote show at the end of the paragraph. But all these footnote and endnote contain either synonyms related to the words or their meanings or terms related to these words on which we are placing footnote. When we click on these numbers which shown us after footnote or insert note, they will bring us on their definition or their synonyms or things related to those which are placed at either at the footnote or at the endnote. One more thing is this: if we are like this and say show notes, you now there are two things. If my cursor is at this place and I say show notes and show footnote area, it will bring me at footnote. But if my cursor is at a footnote and I say show notes, it will bring me to the words where I place this footnote. So like this we can visit these footnotes and their definitions. So this is the concept of footnote and note. If we press Ctrl F or from home key we click on find, here also from go to option we can select footnote like this, one by one, previous, next, and with the help of endnote we can visit endnote one by one. So this is the concept of footnote and note that we can insert in our document and can visit them. So I hope this video on this topic will be clear to you, but still then if you have some problem or not, something is too clear, you can ask me through comment, or if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.